Cottage. The 20 feet shipping container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I will share the complete floor plan with all sizes and details. So keep watching the videos. This is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is 20 feet in meter 6 meter into 3 meter in feet 10 feet. In the front we have two steps here, and after that we have a sliding door here. We will go inside and we have a kitchen cum living room area. The size of the kitchen cum living room is 8 feet 8 inches into 9 feet 4 inches in meter 2.64 into 2.84 meter. Here you can see the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and large size window for ventilation and light purpose. On the right side we have a kitchen counter. You can see here the burner and sink and also a refrigerator arrangement. After that we will go inside. We have a common washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 3 feet into 6 feet in meter 0.91 into 1.82 meter. Here you can see the shower arrangement and water closet arrangement. After that we will go inside. So we have a room. The size of the room is 7 feet into 9 feet 4 inches in meter 2.13 into 2.84 meter. Here we can see the bed arrangement, drawer arrangement, and also large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. So this is the floor plan of this 20 feet shipping container house design. If you like the video, keep watching the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks.